Hello again, my beloved learners and viewers, audience. Our video session for today again is all about solid mensuration, and this is our second problem in our series of solid mensuration problem. Let us now try to solve another board problem. And for our problem in this session, we have how much material was used in the manufacture of 24,000 celluloid dies. If each die has an edge of 1/4 inch. Now, how do we solve the given problem? First and foremost, let us always remember that a die or a piece of a die is actually in form of a cube, and the volume of a cube is equal to S cube. And since we are asked of how much material was used in the manufacture of 24,000 celluloid dies, we have to calculate first for the volume of a die, having an edge of 1/4 inch. After then, if we have already calculated the volume of a piece of a die, let's multiply it to 24,000 so that we can know now how much material was used in the manufacture of 24,000 celluloid dies. Let us now start solving the problem. As we all know, that the volume of a cube is equal to S cube. Now, by using the formula for the volume of a cube, we can now solve for the volume of a die. In substituting the edge of a die 1/4 inch to the volume formula, we now have V sub 1 equals 1/4 raised to the third power. We have assumed that the volume of a die is also V sub 1. V sub 1 equals 1 over 64 cubic inch, and this is now the value for the volume of a piece of a die. Since we have already determined the value of V sub 1, which is a piece of a die, we can now easily determine the volume of 24,000 dies. Our equation now is equals to V equals 24,000 times V sub 1. In doing or after doing the direct substitution for the value of V sub 1, which is 1 over 64 cubic inch, our equation now, V is equals to 24,000 times 1 over 64. Finally, our answer to the question, how much material was used in the manufacture of 24,000 celluloid dies, is volume equals 375 cubic inches. Thank you very much and God bless us all.